Okay, I'm doing a rib rub. I have 4 pounds of ribs here that are cleaned. I pulled the membranes off and I'm going to slice each one individual. Into the rub, I have a tablespoon and a half of onion powder, a tablespoon and a half of garlic powder. I have brown butter and salt and garlic. This is garlic salt. I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. And then I put about, let's say, a tablespoon of smoked paprika. And a good spoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half of brown sugar. I'm going to rub the ribs. Then I'm going to let them sit about half hour, then cut them individually. And then I'm going to make a barbecue sauce using Mike's Hot Honey. So mix this all together. Okay. Lay your ribs in and rub that all in. When you let the ribs sit, they bleed. Another word is sweat the liquid out. And that helps to make the rub permeate into the skin. Okay? Simple, simple. Then they're going to go in the oven on 325, and I leave them about 4.5, 5 hours. I check them, but I like them falling right off the bone. But after 3 hours, I put the barbecue sauce on, which is the honey, Mike's Hot Honey. And then I use, I put ketchup, a little mustard, olive oil, a little vinegar, some sugar. And that's basically it. You can add garlic. It already smells delicious. Ciao, Bambino.